Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to fix ChatGPT unusual activity in your iPhone. So when you are getting the our system have detected unusual activity from your system message from ChatGPT in your iPhone, it's typically because they have a few potential things that's going on with the system. So here's how you can bypass it. So we are already in OpenAI, the makers of ChatGPT, and this is their solution for it. So first is offing your VPN, turning it off, disabling it will trigger these security measures. So try to disable it. Next is with your network. So you might want to check in with your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular network. So next is browser extensions because sometimes your browser extensions might be affecting your connections to the service. It's disabling the unnecessary or suspicious extensions that might help. So the browser extensions, you might want to remove them for a while, so check them out. Next is log out and log in, of course. So you want to log in and log out to your account in ChatGPT and OpenAI so that it will be fixed. So those are the things you can do to fix your ChatGPT unusual activity in your iPhone. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.